Hello friends, we start our Java lessons. Let's organize our Java lessons. So I'm in desktop, I say new and then folder. So I say Java Udemy, which is my folder name. And then I'm inside Java Udemy folder. What I need to do, I right click, I say show more option, I open with code. So I take it to my first screen, yes. So what I need to do, I need to create a folder inside Java Udemy folder. So for doing this, I type new folder here. So I say our first program, so first program, which is my folder name. Okay, so create a new file and name it main.java. I choose it and then I come here, I click this button, I say main.java, which is my Java file. In this Java file, we will write our program. So we will create a class. I say public class and then main, class main. Inside the main class, we will create main method. I say public static void main. This is the entry point for every Java program. So we write our code here. So let's print something. For printing something, we use system.out. We can use print or println. I will show you the differences. So I just choose println. So inside this, I write hello world. Println means print with a new line. By the way, I will show the differences between print and println. Okay, after the parentheses, I need to put semicolon. Okay, so I save it. And then what I need to do, I need to compile first and then run it. So I come here, I say terminal and then new terminal. I need to compile this Java file, but the Java file is in the first program folder. So I'm using cd command for entering inside this folder. Okay, cd, what's my folder name? First program. Okay, I'm inside this folder. What I need to do, I need to compile first. So what's my compile command? javac. And then what's my file name? main.java. Okay, I compile it. So I need to run it right now. Java main.java. Okay. As you see, hello world appears on the screen. It's so easy. We just create a class and then main. Inside this class, I create a main method. So I write all my code inside this main method. We will see lots of things, lots of properties, such as function, looping. So everything we will write. So we will write everything here. We will call the function from here. So we write our code here. That's the logic. So for printing, I use system.out. Okay, this is inevitable. And then I can print it by using print or println. We will see the differences. I just choose println right now. So inside the parentheses, I open my double quotes and then I give my sentence, which is hello world. So I compile first using javac main.java, and then I run it using Java main.java command, and then hello world appears on the screen. If I change this sentence, the output will change too. Okay, I hope you understand the logic.